Hello guys again, and today I am going to make a review how it charges this Tronic battery charger, some batteries. And here we got some batteries. I don't have the big one, the 9 volts, sorry about that. And let's plug it in to see how it goes, how it works. Plug it in, we have some lights, green, LED, green and red lights, okay. And let's start putting some batteries inside. Okay, we do have a green battery defect. It's charging. Let's see here. Oh. Maybe the battery has a problem. That's for. Let's see now. Okay, I think this battery has a problem because the other is charging. See that? This is green and red is charging. Let's see the small ones. Charging. Let's put it. Oh, I can't put another one here. Make me big one. Let's try to put this here. Now it doesn't fit. Okay, let's put another one here. And they all are charging. Very good. And let's see the manuals and what means the red and the green when all are green or red when it's charging. Okay, I just looked the manuals because sometimes it's good to see what the manual says. And we do have in 70% when it's blinking red, it is 70%. When it is red, it is 70 to 18%. Whereas when it's blinking green, it is 80 to 90%. And when it's not blinking green, it's only green, it is in 90%. And when you put the batteries and it's blinking for more than 5 minutes, that it means maybe your battery has a problem on you, or you didn't put it right in the slot. Well, it's good to see your manual for these situations to see how it goes. Well guys, I think that is more of my review. I'm not going to stay here and wait when it will charge. I think it will charge. We are in a good way. Thank you again for watching this review for the Tronic battery charger. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell because more video you will see in the future, and definitely you'll like it because I'm bringing the products to see how it goes, if it works very good or not good, to decide you if you want to buy it. Thank you again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.